I know a lot of things in English, but when it comes to speaking, I don't know how to speak this language. And I think I won't be able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. What should I do? Do you also have the same problem? If you, then this video is only and only for you, my friend. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things which can help you to improve your English. And you will be able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. See my friend, my situation was also like yours. Back in day, I was unable to utter even a single word. But now, I'm at least able to convey my message. Similarly, you can also. Now, you are not able to speak this language and you face problem while explaining things and while framing the sentences, but this problem will not remain the same. Okay? If you try every single day to practice this language, you will be also able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, and you will be able to convey your message the way you want. Okay? But how? By practicing every single day. Can you do it over the night? No, it's not possible. You can achieve a good level in this language. For that one, you'll have to do hard work. I've seen many people, they are trying to become a fluent speaker over the night. To be honest, I had a conversation with one person, and I found that he was struggling to frame the sentences properly. But what I listened from him, he said that I'm trying to learn advanced vocabulary. I'm trying to speak advanced English. Will it be possible? It will never ever be possible. You are a beginner and you are trying for advanced speaking English? Advanced English? How could it be possible? So, try to learn simple things and try to get mastery on simple things. Okay? And then you will see that you will be able to speak whatever comes in front of you. Really. So first of all, instead of learning hard vocabulary or trying for advanced vocabulary, try to learn simple things. Try to explain things, whatever you know. First of all, just like I would say that daily routine or anything, story, try to explain. And then you will see that after a few months, you will be able to speak. Now you are struggling, you are not able to speak even a single sentence properly. But my friend, as I told you, these days will not remain the same. Okay? It will be also gone. And how? If you practice every single day. But if you keep thinking instead of taking the action, I think that the situation will be more worst. Okay? So start speaking. Whatever comes in your mind. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Okay? So, as I told you beginning of this video that my situation was also like you. See my friend, I'm from Hindi medium background. Okay? And being a Hindi medium background or any other medium, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi or Kannada, whatever, it is really very challenging to learn English language, right? But still we are trying. So, I was also feeling the same. I thought that I won't be able to speak this language, but now I'm able. What did I do for that one? I spent a lot of time. I did a lot of things regarding, learning this language. I would say that I started talking to people. I started reading grammar. Yeah, when it comes to talking to people and learning grammar, see my friend, while learning grammar, we are making mistake. We are trying to go very deep. So, I want to ask you one question that when you learn your mother tongue, do you go deep in grammar to learn and understand all the things? No. What is necessary for speaking our mother tongue? That's what we learn. Okay? Similarly, we should do here also. For learning this language, we should not try to know a lot of grammar. It can create confusion in our mind, right? So, we don't have to be confused. We should make our English learning journey as simple as possible. And how it can be? We should know what is important in grammar, and that's what we should learn. And that's what I did. Okay, and now also, or still I do the same. So in your case, my friend, while learning grammar, don't try to go very deep. Okay, if it's possible, if you like, then do. But I know that if you keep doing that way and you are a beginner, then things will be little difficult for you. Why? Because it will take a lot of time to understand each and everything. I don't know, but if you can, try. In my case, I didn't. Okay, and if I feel need in my further days, or if I feel need in future, I'll definitely try to learn some more grammar. Okay, and when it comes to talking, so what do we do usually as a beginner? I believe that you must have found any application. You might be practicing, right? If not, then go and start practicing. Okay, and if you have already started practicing this language on any app, then for you, I want to ask you, do you always try to introduce yourself? Do you always try to have the small talk? Just like, tell me about yourself and what do you do and about your family member. And, when it happens, when we always try to talk with new people, it is very challenging to overcome this problem if we don't have any friends. Really. Why? Because we are going to always introduce ourselves and tell what we do regarding our English. What we do and about our family member, right? So, will it make our English perfect? Can we speak this language very fluently? No. If we want to speak this language very fluently, we have to speak on different topic, right? If you are talking on only one topic, how could you expect that you are going to get mastery on each and every topic, or you will be able to speak on any topic? Will you be able? No, you won't be able. Why? Because you are only introducing yourself, talking about your family member and what you do. That's it. That is called small talk. So if you know that things, then start learning some more thing and start explaining some extra thing. And my friend, storytelling is one of the best way. So try to, learn a story and share with your friend. And then this is how you can prolong the conversation. But in beginning day, it is not so easy. Still, you can try, Here comes making mistake also. We think a lot. What if I make mistake while explaining the story? No problem. Maybe that person not be aware the story which you are going to share. Okay, so don't worry. First of all. Second thing, what if no problem. Even don't try to hold yourself back from making mistake. This is our biggest mistake. Okay, so let's try to allow ourselves and make a lot of mistakes. Okay, and that's how we can learn this language. So my friend, first thing, try to get mastery on simple things, that daily routine and talking about yourself and storytelling and all. Okay, try to get mastery on simple things. Then you will be able to speak difficult things also. But don't try to jump on, zero to difficult things or zero to advanced. It will never ever be possible. You can reach on advanced level. How? Beginner to intermediate, intermediate to advanced. But if you are a beginner and you are thinking about advanced, how can you erase the middle part? I believe that we should be positive while learning this language, that I'll become a fluent speaker. I'll speak this language very fluently, and I am going to learn advanced English. So many things we can talk to ourselves, but how can we forget the middle part, right? So from beginner to advanced you can't get, but from beginner to intermediate and intermediate to advanced you can get. How? By practicing every single day. And people, they are doing. So this is the truth, okay? But if you are saying, no, I'm like, your condition is just like beginner, you are not able to explain the things. While explaining things, you are making a lot of mistakes in grammar. So many places also you are making mistake, and you are expecting that I'm going to speak this language very fluently. How could you? You can't, okay? So keep these things in your mind and then try to speak this language. You can, my friend. If I, from Hindi medium and didn't know anything, with the zero knowledge, I started learning this language, and without taking any help of any institute, When I am able to speak this language, then why can't you? You can also speak this language, right? How? By practicing every single day, by believing in yourself, and by taking action every single day. Let me summarize these things. First thing, try to get mastery on simple things. Okay? Don't try to go beginner to advanced. Try to believe in the the way people are learning. Try to believe in those tactic or those rules which is applicable for everyone. Don't try to become extraordinary. Okay? If you are thinking that I can learn this language and I'm going to get beginner to advanced level, you are considering yourself that you are ordinary. But my friend, we have to be ordinary, not extraordinary. Okay? So we can also learn this language the way people are learning, right? So just avoid small talk. If you are a beginner, then okay. But if you are trying to learn some extra thing, try to talk more and more. The more you talk, the better you are going to become, the better you are going to explain the things, and that is called fluency, right? So this is how you can speak this language. And don't think about your mistakes, don't overthink, try to take the action. As I told, if you are just listening, start speaking. If you are just listening and speaking, start reading. If you are facing problem in grammar, work on your grammar. And that is how, my friend, we can speak this language and we can learn this language, okay, however we want. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. I hope my video is helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.